Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make party jollof rice for beginners. The steps are easy to follow and it is perfect for any occasion. So let me show you how to make this right away. Start by blending your fresh tomatoes in a blender. So for this recipe I'll be combining roma tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers, and fresh paprika peppers. When you're done blending all of these, pour the mixture into a medium-sized pot and bring to a boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the tomato mixture through a fine mesh strainer. You can leave it to sit in the sink to drain completely. In another pot, bring in your clean chicken pieces. Season the chicken with minced garlic, grated ginger, chopped onions, curry powder, dried thyme, chicken bouillon cubes, salt, bay leaf, and also add about 2 cups of the tomato water you just strained to the meat. Don't also forget to add some crushed scotch bonnet to taste. Cover and bring the chicken to a boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking your chicken, it should be ready. So once the chicken is ready, drain from the broth and set aside. Now go ahead and parboil your rice. I'm using medium grain rice. Parboil this for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can rinse it under running water to stop it from cooking further. So while parboiling the rice, it's also the right time to fry your chicken. Add some oil to a large pan, then add in the boiled chicken and fry until they are golden brown on all sides. Using about 1/3 cup of the leftover oil, then go in with your chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Saute these for about 3 minutes until this starts to fragrant. You can also add in 2 bay leaves to the aromatics and stir fry until all the spices turn translucent and fragrant. Next, dissolve your tomato paste with a little bit of water, just like this. The tomato paste seems really thick, so dissolving it makes it a little bit lighter and it helps it to fry really quickly without burning. Stir fry the tomato paste for 10 minutes until you can notice streaks of oil on the surface. It's time to add in your tomato and pepper mix. Stir fry the sauce for another 10 minutes until it becomes thickened. Now that the tomato is well fried, go ahead and season this with some crushed chicken bouillon cubes, ground crayfish or shrimp powder, dried thyme, curry powder, salt. Give it a quick mix and then add about 4 cups of the chicken broth. And stir this for all the flavors to come together. Cover and bring to a boil for 5 minutes. Once the liquid has come to a boil, it's time to bring in your parboiled rice. You can notice the rice needs more water because the sauce appears too thick. So add in 1 cup of plain water and mix well. You just need the liquid to be slightly above the rice, since your rice is already parboiled. Put a lid on and simmer your jollof rice on medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, most of the liquid has evaporated. Add in your green peas and diced carrots. You don't need to stir the rice at this point. Just let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes until all the liquid has dried up. You can see the rice is perfectly tender, no lumpy grain, and the jollof rice is not soggy at all. Once the vegetables are well combined, take out the bay leaves, cover the rice a little bit more and let it sit on the stove for 2 minutes. And now you have your party jollof rice ready. What is jollof rice without some fried chicken at the side? So I'm pairing this with some fried chicken. You can also enjoy it with some chilled salad. So guys, this was a simple jollof rice recipe for beginners. I hope you follow this step to make your homemade party jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, have a great day and bye.